You won't believe how easy it is to create viral AI videos, and it's 100% free. Welcome to my channel. Today we will create something new, 100% free, everything. First, check out this channel. It has only uploaded 112 videos, but has 931k subscribers, which is very high. And if you look at the views, some videos have millions of views. Videos like this are going very viral these days, and you can also create AI videos like this easily, completely free. No need to spend any money. If you watch this video carefully, you can also make viral videos like this. I will give you the prompts in the comments. Please download the prompts from my Google Drive. All you need to do is copy and paste them. I will also show you how to use them. Videos created this way can go viral on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram very easily. If you are new, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Let's get started. First, open the channel whose type of videos you want to create. Then use the snipping tool to crop the image according to the style you want to make. After cropping the image, save it. Once the image is saved, open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, upload the image that you cropped and saved with the snipping tool. After uploading the image, write this prompt. I have sent an image. I want to create an image exactly like this. Please give me the story of this image and also provide 5 image prompts in the same style. After a short time, ChatGPT will give you the prompt and the story. You can see that ChatGPT creates a very good prompt and story for you easily. Just make sure to watch the full video. And importantly, you can write again like this. Give me another story and prompt. ChatGPT will provide more as well. By using this method, you can create many AI videos easily, generate images easily, and your story prompt will be ready without any difficulty. Leonardo.ai is a very good website for creating AI images. Its updated version has been released, as you can see. Open it, set the size to 9:16, and select Phoenix 1.0. Then paste your prompt there. After a short time, the image will start generating. In this way, you can paste your prompts one by one. After pasting all your prompts, you will see that the images have been created, and they look amazing. This is how you can create AI images on this website. I copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here one by one. Then, from Leonardo.ai, download the image that you like the most. Leonardo.ai is a powerful AI image generation platform that enables users to create stunning, high-quality visuals from simple text prompts. Designed for artists, designers, and creators, it helps produce concept art, game assets, posters, and both realistic and fantasy-style images in no time. With its advanced AI models, in this way, all the images have been created. You can see they look absolutely amazing. I will provide all the prompts in my YouTube description. Next, we will create an AI voice for free. There is a tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech. It is one of the best tools for generating AI voice. You can use it for free at unlimitedai.tools. You can also create free AI images there, but I will show you how to generate voice for free. If you cannot find the tool, comment below and I will give you the link in the comments. It gives daily free credits, believe me. Now open the AI text-to-speech generator. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Then select any voice you like. There are many voices available. Blaze and Alex are very good voices, but for explanation, you can select any voice. Click on Generate, and remember, you can generate up to 1,000 words at one time. If your script is longer than 1,000 words, divide it into 4 parts and generate the complete voice step by step. Now the voice is ready, and you can listen to it.
In a magical village, where food has life and emotions, every ingredient has a purpose. A peaceful holy Tulsi plant.
In this way, your AI voice is created, and now we will create the AI video. The first website is called Digen.ai. It is a very good and amazing website. It gives you 300 credits, which you can use to create 10 videos. After that, it gives you daily credits, so you can easily create AI videos. Right now, as you can see, I have 2,700 plus credits because this account has been logged in for many days. This way, I can make a lot of videos since I have many credits. If you want to create more AI videos, Digen.ai is a very good website for you. The best benefit is that even if you don't use it, it will automatically give you daily credits, just like in my account. Now we will create an AI video on this website. This is a very good website. Click on Create. Then go to Upload. First, upload the image. Then take the first prompt for that image and paste it. Click Generate, and the video will start creating. In the same way, upload the second image, paste its prompt, and click Generate. The video creation will start for that image as well. It will take a little time, but in this way, you can make 2 or more videos. You can start creating a good 10-15 minute video using this method. The second website for AI videos is Pixar-style. This is a very good website for creating AI videos. It also gives daily credits. At first, it gives credits automatically, but later it may stop giving credits automatically. If you want to get credits for free in large amounts, click on Earn Credit. After that, you can get daily credits by logging in every day. You can also watch short ads. After watching 3 short ads, you can receive credits. Other options include downloading the app, rating the app, or inviting someone. Using these methods, you can get 4340 credits. With 20 to 30 credits, you can create 1 video. After creating the video, I will return to continue. I upload the image, and once the image is uploaded, I select it. Then I write the prompt and paste it. After that, the video starts generating. You can see it. The video looks very good. In the same way, I create another video by uploading another image and pasting its prompt. The video starts generating as well. This is how you can create AI videos easily on both websites. You can see the video is ready, and it was made for free. For the last step, I will use CapCut to edit the video. CapCut is a very good software for editing videos. It's easy to use, free, and full of features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here, I will edit my video, add video effects, and finalize it. Now the video is ready, and you can see the final result. Thanks for watching. Next time, if you have any questions about the video, send me a message or comment and I will answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will share another method. Thanks for watching.